Have you ever wished you could create viral social media posts without spending hours brainstorming, designing, and editing? What if I told you that in 2025, you can do it in just a few seconds using artificial intelligence? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to create viral social media posts with AI in 2025. I'll show you the tool I use, called Predis.ai, and how it can help you generate captions, images, and hashtags in seconds. By the end of this video, you'll be able to take an idea and turn it into a viral-ready post without wasting time or money. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I share everyday AI hacks and tools designed to save you time, boost your productivity, and help you grow online. If that sounds useful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. And just so you know, if you want to try Predis.ai for yourself, I've left a link in the description. Some links may be affiliate links, which means I might earn a small commission if you sign up, but at no extra cost to you. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly talk about why using AI for social media is such a game changer in 2025. The truth is, competition on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Pinterest has never been tougher. Everyone is posting, and the algorithms reward consistency. But the average creator or business owner doesn't have the time or energy to plan, design, and publish posts every single day. That's where AI comes in. Instead of replacing your creativity, it enhances it. It handles 80% of the work, like writing captions, generating hashtags, and designing images, while you focus on the personal touches that make your content unique. The result? Faster content creation and a much higher chance of hitting that viral wave. So let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Choose the right AI tool. For this demonstration, I'm using Predis.ai. It's built specifically for social media, which means it's designed to handle everything from captions and hashtags to visuals and even short videos. Once you sign up and log in, you'll see a clean dashboard where you can start a new project instantly. Step 2. Enter your idea. This is where you tell the AI what you want your post to be about. Let's say you're promoting healthy breakfast tips for busy parents. You simply type that in, and within seconds, Predis.ai generates a complete post caption, image concept, and hashtags included. You could also try something like AI hacks for side hustles or top travel tips for families. The tool adapts to any niche. Step 3. Customize your captions and hashtags. One of the coolest things about Predis.ai is that it doesn't just spit out generic text. It studies real-time social media trends to create captions that are engaging, emoji-friendly, and written in the style that actually works on Instagram and TikTok today. The hashtags it suggests are not random. They're picked to give your content maximum reach. Of course, you can edit them, but 9 times out of 10, they're ready to go live as they are. Step 4. Generate visuals or short videos. This is the part that saves you the most time. Predis.ai can create graphics or even short clips to match your caption. You don't need to open Photoshop or Canva. All you do is select your preferred style, like minimalist, bold, or modern, and the AI creates visuals that look professional. It's like having a designer on your team, except it works instantly and for a fraction of the cost. Step 5. Export and post. Once you're happy with the post, you can download it directly to your computer or phone. Predis also lets you schedule posts to publish automatically on platforms like Instagram or Facebook. So in just a couple of minutes, you've gone from having a blank page to having a polished, viral-ready post that's ready to share. Now that you've seen how it works, let me give you a few pro tips to make sure your posts actually go viral. First, use trending hashtags. Predis suggests great ones, but always double-check with Instagram or TikTok to confirm what's hot right now. Second, batch your content. Don't just create one post at a time. Make 5 or even 7 in one sitting so you never run out of content. Third, cross-post everywhere. That one AI-generated post doesn't just have to live on Instagram. Share it on TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and even turn it into a YouTube short. The more platforms you cover, the more chances you have to go viral. And finally, engage quickly. When your post goes live, reply to the first comments as fast as possible. This sends a signal to the algorithm that your content is active, which boosts its reach even more. And that's it. You now know how to create viral social media posts with AI in 2025. Tools like Predis.ai don't just save you time. They give you the consistency and creativity boost you need to grow online in today's crowded digital space. Imagine replacing hours of stress with just a few clicks. That's the power of everyday AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI hacks and tool reviews every week. And if you're ready to try Predis.ai for yourself, the link is waiting in the description. Remember, it could save you hours every single week. Thanks for watching, and before you go, check out my next video where I review another AI tool that's blowing up in 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you there.